Hey guys, today I am working with a Speed Queen commercial heavy duty super capacity plus washer, and holds a lot of clothes. It has a really big capacity here. These things are essentially built like a tank. This is one of my favorite type of washers to work on and to sell, because this type of washer here, it's commercial quality, it'll last forever. It's essentially built with all metal parts with the internals. They just run and last a really long time. They do a really good job. Still have tons of options on them. You can see here, tons of options even for your delicate stuff. You have lots of adjusters here as well. And right now I've got it filled up with a pretty heavy jeans and towel load, letting it go through. I like to do a video like this so you can see it running as if you were standing here yourself testing it out. Of course, the washer gets a 28-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked. Everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale and before it leaves my care. So I'm gonna allow it to continue through this wash cycle. You can see it's doing a good job getting everything agitated and nice and sudsy there. I'll show you that it drains the water out, and then show you it's got a nice, fast, smooth spin cycle. So we'll come back. All right, and now we're moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. You can hear it draining that water out nice and fast. Now I'm not gonna open the lid and interrupt this draining cycle. This, as you can see earlier, the lid switch does in fact work, so you lift this up, shuts the machine down. It's a nice safety feature there. But you can obviously hear that drain working nice and fast. So we'll come back for the spin cycle. All right, now we're moving into that final spin cycle. As you can see and hear, sounds great. Nice smooth operation, just at about top speed here. I'll go ahead and lift the lid up, and that's going to stop it, of course, with the lid switch, but you'll be able to see that it is spinning nice and fast. Of course, like I said, you can see and hear it sounds great. Okay. And there you go. We'll get those clothes moved over to the dryer, and I'll show you that the electric dryer also works perfectly. All right, guys, now I've got those clothes moved over to the Whirlpool electric dryer. It's a Roper surname, but it is a Whirlpool machine. And essentially we'll go ahead and put it on, just time dry, high heat. There you go. As you can see in here, sounds great. Nice smooth operation. And the last thing that I do on any machine that I sell is I go through and touch up, especially on the dryers. They always get a little bit of little spots and stuff on the top here from stuff being set on top of them. So I'll go ahead and refinish that. It'll look like new. Essentially be cosmetically in as close to like new condition as possible, as well as working condition as well. I'm going to give this about 2 minutes to warm up, then we'll show you that it is heating properly as well. Okay, we've given that just a couple minutes to go ahead and get a little warm there. So with our heating gun here, right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. You can see right now it's coming in at about 73 degrees on top of the machine. The concrete floor here is coming at about 62. So we will open this up, shoot it right inside the heating element tube, which can get pretty hot inside of there. Let's take a picture of that for the ad. And so essentially right out of here can even get up to a little over 300 degrees, but the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 up to 195, and that just depends on what you have the heat setting at. Let me throw these clothes back in here. So you could go a low heat setting here, which is for your delicates, that type of thing, permanent press. And then you've also got an air fluff here, so you could do no heat as well for a really delicate item. Otherwise, if you're like me, you just kind of set it on high and let it go. And that's going to do it for these guys here. We'll go ahead and get that final touch up there, get them listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out, and I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, have a great day.